it's been great. Our experience.
Little cupcake competition.
Yeah, that was great.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was. I thought it was great. I loved it.
At Mastermind Adventures, we know that play is the cornerstone of connection between families. Play helps turn a fleeting moment into a memory that lasts a lifetime. As you emerge from the struggles of these past 2 years, you'll notice that you see things differently. You feel that life is more precious than ever, and you cherish the time that you spend with the people you love. With our 10-year history of creating award-winning experiences for kids and families, you can trust us to help you play, connect, and laugh with your family like never before. Let us help you make magic together. Mastermind Adventures, because you've always wanted to play.